Hi, my name is Dr. Brad Nelson. I'm the author of the Emotion Code and the Body Code and the Belief Code as well. I'm coming to Japan and I want to invite you to join me for a very, very special live seminar that will be held at the Kyoto Tower Hotel November 1st and 2nd of this year, 2024. We're going to be teaching both the Emotion Code and the Body Code at this event. The Emotion Code is the world's fastest, simplest, most efficient, most effective way to find and remove emotional baggage. Now, emotional baggage is the energy of the emotions that are left behind in the body from those emotional experiences that you have gone through that you would rather not have gone through. And we now know what this emotional baggage is doing to us, that it is the underlying cause, in my experience, of depression and anxiety and phobias and panic attacks and PTSD and eating disorders and self-sabotage of all kinds. In fact, my experience is that about 90% of all the physical pain that people experience is actually due to their emotional baggage. Think about that. If you're dealing with any of these things, then you can rest assured that there is an emotional component to these problems. Now, you're going to learn how to do this for yourself and for other people. You're going to learn how to do it for your animals, your pets, because they also have emotional baggage. And you're going to find how simple this is and how you can actually do this at a distance, because this is energy medicine at its purest and most simple. Albert Einstein many, many years ago said, the medicine of the future will be the medicine of frequencies. And I think that when he said that, no one had any idea what he was really talking about, except his closest associates probably. But now here we are in the 21st century, and we're finally stepping into this new understanding of how our bodies actually work, and that our bodies are made of energy, and that the best way to deal with our bodies is to treat them as such, and that the biggest underlying cause of all of these kinds of problems, in fact, every disease process known to man, has an emotional component to it. And so the Emotion Code is about finding and removing these. And you're going to learn that in this event. You're also going to learn the Body Code. And you're going to learn how there are other kinds of imbalances that cause all of the problems that we suffer from. The bottom line about this event is that it's unlike any other. You see, I was a computer programmer for many years before I became a doctor. And when I became a doctor, it began to slowly dawn on me that every single patient of mine had a computer within them, a subconscious mind that had all the answers about what was going on with them. And I'm going to teach you how to tap into that computer, how to access that computer and ask questions and get answers. Your internal computer, that subconscious mind of yours, that intelligence within you knows exactly what's wrong with you. It knows with a perfect understanding why you're having pain or why you're having other issues, why you are dealing with some physical or mental or emotional issue. And I'm going to teach you how to communicate with that subconscious mind. It's actually very simple, easy enough that kids can learn how to do it. But it, I think, will be a life-changing event for you. I really hope that you will join us. I promise you this is an event you'll never forget for the rest of your life. It will give you tools that you can use to help your friends, your loved ones, family members, and more for the rest of your life. So I hope that you'll join us. This is in Kyoto, Japan, November 1st and 2nd. That's Friday and Saturday, 2024 at the Kyoto Tower Hotel. So I look forward to seeing you there. Thanks for listening.